Welcome to the world of giant woodcutting machines, where immense power meets extraordinary speed. In this video, we'll explore cutting-edge technologies that are reshaping the forestry industry, optimizing efficiency, and unlocking new promising directions. Get ready to discover the surprises and opportunities this new era of technology has in store. Oh my goodness, this driver is truly a master of driving skills. Watching the heavy truck loaded with wood skillfully and dramatically navigate through the deep muddy puddle is absolutely astonishing. In the dense tropical forests of Brazil, the massive Mack Titan truck, powered by a robust Cat C15 engine, is hauling a colossal load of timber towards the beach. Its striking resemblance to the legendary Peterbilt 379 evokes nostalgia and admiration, making onlookers wonder if Mack has taken over Peterbilt. This modern-day workhorse has conquered rugged terrain with remarkable prowess, showcasing its strength and durability in an astonishing manner. It's amazing to see that this is one of the few places in the world where this phenomenon occurs. The powerful logging machines are not only impressive, but also bring a sense of thrill. The variety of trucks combined with the stunning scenery creates a captivating spectacle that keeps viewers glued to the action. As someone from Western Canada who has built logging trucks, I can't help but feel excited to witness these differences. While we often haul long logs, New Zealand seems to handle shorter and medium-length logs. Let's explore and experience the magic of logging operations around the world, an invaluable experience that no one should miss. Wow, witnessing the split force. 1320T wood splitter in action is truly impressive. This beast is equipped with a powerful cylinder with a splitting force of up to 20 tons and a high-performance hydraulic system. With its immense power and efficiency, it effortlessly tears through large logs without breaking a sweat. This machine truly makes the wood splitting process quick and easy, providing an unbelievable experience for onlookers. The efficiency of the Komatsu 931X CMPONC is truly like witnessing a master craftsman creating a masterpiece. This machine is a symbol of excellence in engineering. The cutting and delimbing head of the Komatsu 931XC provides absolute precision, while the hydraulic system of the Ponsa operates smoothly and responsively. The standout feature is the undercarriage of the Komatsu 931XC, with low ground pressure and exceptional traction, allowing it to conquer any terrain with ease. This is not just a high-performance system. It embodies strength and the ability to overcome any challenges in a harsh working environment. The John Deere 2954D is truly a gem for thinning. Its impressive flexibility allows it to easily maneuver through tight forests, deftly weaving between trees without harming the remaining timber. With significant power to handle large trees, this machine also features a spacious and comfortable cabin, making it easy to observe and control during long hours of work. If you're looking for a powerful yet refined harvester, the John Deere 2954D is the perfect choice to explore. Instead of risking your safety with a handsaw to handle dangerous trees, why not choose the John Deere 1270G, a true beast in the forestry world? With its superior 8-wheel drive system, it effortlessly conquers the toughest terrains, delivering maximum stability and safety. The powerful H415 head takes down large trees in seconds, boosting productivity without the need for exhausting manual labor. This machine isn't just a harvester. It's the perfect solution for loggers aiming to get the job done quickly, efficiently, and safely. Once you try it, you'll never want to go back to a handsaw again. This is the future of sustainable logging. It's truly impressive to see majestic horses working in perfect harmony with the palm grapple loader, a beautiful blend of nature and technology. This approach is not only eco-friendly and low impact, but also remarkably efficient. The power pack and log trailer combo make heavy logs easy to handle, while the horses provide the strength and agility needed to maneuver smoothly. This is a perfect example of how tradition and modern technology can come together to pave the way for a greener and more sustainable future. Amidst the freezing ground and snow-covered terrain, the Timberjack 810B is truly a game-changer in forestry operations. Designed for maximum versatility and durability, this machine effortlessly meets the toughest demands of the logging industry. Its powerful engine delivers exceptional torque and horsepower, making light work of heavy loads in challenging terrain. The rugged construction ensures it can withstand the harshest forest conditions, from dense undergrowth to the roughest uneven ground. So in extreme conditions, which machine reigns supreme, Timberjack or MTZ? The 810B certainly makes a compelling case.
Check this out. Ladenburger's got this incredible production line. It's like watching a well-choreographed dance with every machine working in perfect harmony. They've taken something ordinary, turning wood into planks, and made it extraordinary. It's a real testament to their team and technology. Witness the ultimate showdown of power versus nature. The Bandit 21 XP, armed with a Cummins 275 horsepower engine, takes on the Gray Giant, Eucalyptus microcarpa, renowned for its incredibly dense wood. Can cutting-edge engineering triumph over the unyielding strength of one of the world's hardest woods? Now this is what I call resourceful. A DIY saw attachment for a mini excavator. Smart thinking. You can tell this guy knows his stuff. The efficiency is impressive. And that flag? Gives it a playful touch, reminds me of a kid's lunchbox. Nice work overall. These Sumitomo SH240 log loaders are like giants, effortlessly lifting and stacking massive logs. The operators are true masters of their craft, orchestrating this impressive ballet of machinery and timber. This situation serves as a valuable lesson for us all. Exercise caution when working with trees, especially large ones. Equipping oneself with knowledge and proper safety gear is essential. You want power, you want efficiency, you want control? The Pezzolato PTH1300/1500M delivers on all fronts. Its 1150 horsepower Caterpillar engine gives you the raw power to conquer any wood chipping challenge. Imagine the satisfaction of producing up to 400 cubic meters of perfect chips per hour. And with the radio remote control, you're in complete command. Witness the awe-inspiring power of this colossal 56-inch circular saw. Even after 50 years of service, its resilience and capability remain unmatched. Watch as it effortlessly slices through a massive 14-foot-long, 33-inch diameter cottonwood tree, a testament to its enduring legacy. From rugged bark to polished beauty, this log's transformation is mesmerizing. Witnessing nature become art, one slice at a time, is truly awe-inspiring. The process of loading lumber onto barges differs significantly from loading trucks. Barges, due to their size and the nature of water transport, require careful consideration of weight distribution to maintain balance. Additionally, securing the lumber with appropriate lashing is crucial to prevent shifting. There's something inherently fascinating about watching heavy machinery in action. The sheer scale, the power, the precision. It taps into our primal desire to control and manipulate the world around us. And this circle crane, it's a prime example. When you haven't got an EWP yet, and you gotta be a daredevil. Drop a 1 in the comments if our video blew your mind. Your support fuels our creative fire. These Peterbilts ain't just trucks, they're rolling thunder. That Caterpillar purr, music to my ears. And the power? Oh, honey, it'll blow you away. It's a sight to behold, a sound to savor.